Hey boos, welcome back. So today in this video I do have a install step-by-step synthetic lace base of 13 by 14. It's SOLANA from What Paid Lace. I had this wig on prior before and I did an install on my YouTube channel a couple years ago, but I wanted to start all over again. So in this video I'm not going to be talking as much because of everything that you guys need, and all the steps will be on the screen from the way I start to the way that I finish it. If you guys do want more details, just let me know in the comments, and if you do want a very detailed video, I will do that too. But this video is just going to be me showing you guys step by step on how I was just able to execute this look.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
For this part of the video, I'm going to be taking that ruby kiss that I did put on top of my wig cap, and I'm just going to be placing it inside the wig because the wig is a different color and I just want it to be as close to my shade as possible. So I'm just going to move it all around the wig cap, make sure I'm not missing any spots.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
I have to say, when I was putting this wig on, it was a little snug, meaning that it fit my head perfectly. You guys really don't need to lay this wig down. I did use lace spray in order to secure it, but you really don't have to use any glue. It's gonna stay on the top of your head.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
Because the wig is going to be worn down, I really did not focus too much on the side of my head because I'm not going to be showing it too much. I'm just going to leave it down as a middle part. If I were to do an updo, if I were to do a side part, then I will pluck some more on the sides, but I'm not doing that. I'm not even leaving any hair on near my ears, so I'm just gluing that side down. I'm using the E-Band adhesive lace spray, and that spray is chef kiss. This is what you need when it comes to laying down your synthetic wigs. It is 10 times easier compared to your actual HD any other laces. This lace was so easy for me to lay down.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
did not have my elastic band, but I did have an elastic belt. So I was just using it to lay my hair down, and I also did use the blow dryer, but I did not put that on the screen.
Brings me to 30 hertz straight up.
So when it comes to me to using a hot comb, I increased it into 400 degrees. You got to be very careful when you're using any hot tools on synthetic hair. But because this is not my first time installing a synthetic wig, I know how to manage and how quick to move. If you're uncertain and then if you're unsure, I would say the best option would be leaving it at 250, not too low, not too high, just so you're able to lay down that wig. So I did put it on 400, and I'm just passing it through, and I'm also passing my head on top of it. You do want to make sure you get the top of your hair, the back of your hair, the side of your hair, just so it's nice and flat.
Brings me to 30 hertz straight up.
When cutting the lace, do not cut the lace straight. Have a little method of you going in a zigzag so it's not too straight. It's going to have more of a real look to it than an actual lace. Like, you won't be able to see it as
30 hertz straight up.
Now I'm using my Sprit Super Hold, and I'm just going back to any part of the lace that was just not placed down correctly, and I'm just spraying it, pressing my fingers on it and spraying it. After my lace has been laid, I'm just going back also with that Ruby Kiss foundation, and I'm putting it on top of the lace just so we can have a seamless look, and I'm blending it in.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
This part did get a little blurry, but all I'm doing is taking my concealer and I'm concealing the part so it could be a fine line. I'm just taking a little bit and I'm just pressing it through the part. Now I'm taking, if you guys do have a thin comb or a skinny comb, it would be best to use that. I didn't have that right now. I could not find it, so I just used a scissor, which is totally fine. And I had a spray that I just sprayed on top of the part, and I'm making sure that I had a nice defined part. This wig was a little too long for me, for my liking, so I just went over and cut the bottom of it. I wasn't too fan of the longness of it. It didn't look cute, like it was giving synthetic, and I just didn't like that, so I just had to cut a little part of the bottom to make it look more cuter, bouncier, and flowy, so it won't get as tangled when it comes to me combing it. And this is the final product. This was very easy. It's such a quick install, to be honest. It probably can take you 30 minutes to install a synthetic wig, and it is such a cute wig. It is very easy to manage. Of course, if you guys don't want it to be on your head, you can always take it off, but that's the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope you guys are able to do this step-by-step install. Bye guys.